Welcome to the Destination Imagination 2025-2026 season. In this video, we are going to go over the timeline for this season and make sure that your team is prepared to compete in the upcoming tournaments. Like previous seasons, there are 7 STEAM challenges that teams can compete in: technical, engineering, scientific, fine arts, improvisational, service learning, and early learning. Teams will also participate in the Instant Challenge, but details for this challenge will only be revealed to teams on tournament day. Every year, full access to the team challenges is made available on August 1st. This is the first opportunity to read about each of the challenges in detail. Challenge orientation workshops, or as we like to call them, COWs, take place in October and November. The Affiliate Challenge Masters hold these workshops for each of the team challenges and the Instant Challenge. In addition to the COWs, keep a lookout for Instant Challenge playdates and workshops that will be taking place throughout the season. These workshops are an additional resource for getting information about the rules and expectations for teams. The COWs and the IC workshops are listed on the calendar on the California DI website. Recordings of previous team manager trainings can also be found with the calendar. Most teams register earlier in the season to ensure that they have as much time as possible to prepare for tournament day. Each region has a specific deadline for registration, so make sure that you are following the right deadline for your region. It is important that each team has an appraiser to represent them at the tournament. Every appraiser, including independent volunteers, must complete the required trainings held in January and February. Now, the most important dates that you need to know are for tournament days. There will be 4 regional tournaments, one for each California region. The Best of Bay and La DI Land regions will have their regional tournaments on February 21st. Region 1 and San Joaquin Valley will have their regional tournaments on February 28th. Teams that move on to the Cal DI Affiliate Tournament will be competing on April 11th. And finally, Destination Imagination Global Finals will take place between May 21st and May 24th. Please note that there will be a short turnaround time for teams to decide if they are going to go to Global Finals, given that they are able to. Make sure to regularly check the calendar on the website to follow along with more Cal DI events. This video provides a general outline for this season, but there may be changes over the next few months. Good luck this season, and remember to stay creative.